You know what's better than garlic and butter? Garlic, butter and cream cheese. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to make my garlic butter cream cheese bread. I came across a video regarding about this Korean street food and I immediately told myself that I just had to recreate it. And the next day, bam, it's out. So I'm sure you guys will love it. It's just so good, so garlicky, buttery, and the cream cheese is just heaven. So to get things started, in a mixer or bread machine, add in all of the ingredients starting with water, yeast, sugar, bread flour, milk powder, salt, and lastly, oil. Knead for about 20 minutes until it is elastic. Let it proof for about an hour. Remove the air from the dough on a dusted surface and shape it into a disc. Divide it into 4 pieces and roll them into a ball. Let it proof for about an hour or until double in size. Then spread some water onto the dough and bake it in the preheated oven at 180 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. Remove the bread from the oven once golden brown and cover lightly with a kitchen towel while cooling. To make the filling, combine melted butter, eggs, milk, Parmesan cheese, dried herbs. Accidentally doubled the amount of herbs that I was adding in the other day, but it's gonna be okay, it's just gonna be more flavorful. Sugar, minced garlic, and salt into a bowl. Set aside. Slice the cooked buns into 8 pieces, making sure that the knife does not go all the way down. Fill the buns with softened cream cheese. Soak each bun with the garlic butter mixture that we made earlier. Dust with some potato flakes and pipe up with more cream cheese onto the middle of the bun before baking it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 25 minutes. Serve warm. It's really that easy. You could even use store-bought buns to make your own garlic butter cream cheese bread. Anyway, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and check out my printable recipes at www.dezonghan.com, and be sure to check out my Instagram page at ZataAmi. I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye!